And nauwi na ako. Okay, so part 2 na agad tayo ng HSI signature. Let's go! Okay, so ito nga pala yung dalawang nanalo kanina. Sila yung unang nag-comment. These two, sila yung unang nag-comment na napatapos nila yung video. So yun na nga, enough with the talk. Let's start the review. Paligid-ligid pa, start agad natin to kay Blue de Chanel. So, yun na nga. Oh, man. Ba't ganun? HSI, ano to? Very citrusy, woody. I can smell the ginger. I love the ginger smell. Kahit ano talagang mayroong ginger scent. I love it. So, BDC. Wala akong Blue de Chanel, pero meron akong Decal. Before, ito nagagamit kasi ang mahal na Blue de Chanel. Anyways, the scent itself, I think this would be good for an everyday scent. Kung naghahanap ka ng everyday scent, BDC by HSI, pare. Yes. I can't stop smelling it. The lemon, the woodiness, muskiness, the ginger, everything that you are looking for a fragrance, Blue de Chanel or BDC, nakuha na HSI ito. Next. Sunod natin si Millionaire. And I think this is 1 million. Okay. I think the last time I smelled Paco Rabanne 1 million is 6 years ago. Alimot ko na. Anyways. Let's test this out. Wow, the fuck? What the heck? Malapit, gagi. Naalala ko si Kurt. Okay, naalala ko yung tropa ko since 1 million yung gamit niya. And this is really close. Pero, dalawa naalala ko dito eh. I remember my friend Kurt, and I also remember yung car freshener namin sa bahay, sa kotse. Ito yung smell niya. It's a bit orangey, floral. Very good fragrance if you're a soft boy or gusto mo something gentle lang. I think this is the one for you. If halagahanap ka ng gentle scent, fresh but gentle scent, this one is for you, Millionaire. Impressed ako sa batch na to. Especially kay 1 million. Ang sarap talaga ng pagiging mandarin orange niya. Together with the flower scent. Anyways, let's go for Extreme. Let's go. So, testin agad natin siya. The projection, holy shit! Okay, so, shit. It's a very citrusy and woody type of scent. There's a lot of leafy scent here. Maybe, out of these three, ito yung pinaka-least favorite ko. But damn bro, it smells nice. Very fresh. I think maganda to sa arawan. So, if you're that guy na laging pinapawisan, this guy is your best friend. Pero for me, yung Millionaire talaga eh. Yung Millionaire. And then this one. Holy shit. Everything smells so nice. Paano to? Shit. Doggy. I think nagalit ata sa akin si HSI doon sa review ko sa motivational nila. Kaya they sent me their best of the best products. Especially Millionaire. Come on, bro. The closeness, the scent. Kahit sabi mo hindi siya inspired, I would really suggest this. Millionaire is so good. May Blue de Chanel is also good. Very versatile fragrance. I can use this any time of the day. Maganda pang daily, gabi, umaga. You can use this. Extreme. I think sa arawan siya mga gamit. Smells nice kasi nga lang out of these three, nangingibabaw talaga si Millionaire tapos si BDC. So, nagiging parang hindi ko siya favorite. Pero, don't get me wrong guys. This is good. Smells good. So, yun nga. Ang ganda ng batch na to. And hoping na sana yung susunod na tatlo. I still have here Black, and B-Rogue 540. Yun lang. So, 3 more boys. 3 more. Peace. Okay, so gusto mo rin ba magkaroon ng HSI fragrance and hindi ka nakahabol kanina sa comment section? Okay, I have this new mechanics. So, napatapos mo tong video na to. Comment down below kung ano yung first Middle Eastern fragrance ko. And I think mga followers ko, alam nila yan. So, una lang, hindi bigyan ko siya ng isang fragrance. Yun lang. Peace.